What's up, Chevy Colorado enthusiasts? My name is Tim Omi. I'm here to talk about my 2022 Chevy Colorado Bison. And the issue I'm having today is a rattling in the front dashboard. After hours of research and watching YouTube videos, the only conclusion I could find was to take apart the front dashboard, and I just didn't want to go down that path until I tried all different solutions. And so what I thought of today was to get a piece of foam and stuff it under the dashboard where I found the rattling coming from, and see if that would be an easy fix. And it just so happened to work. So I hope this video saves you time and headache. Please enjoy. Now, a lot of different posts will tell you need to do a bunch of work, take off the dash and get underneath and secure it. But I thought otherwise. And so what I've done today, I'm gonna grab a piece of foam, any basic foam. Here you go. I got my little plier that I can wedge it right in there with. Gonna stuff, this is where the noise was coming in from. So just gonna stuff this right in there like that. And just wedge it in there. Until it goes all the way in there. Now that I've stuffed that piece of foam underneath the dash, presto. All this time listening to that rattling noise, and all I needed to do was put a little foam